In this video, we're going to look at some of the basics of one of the apps we'll be using throughout the semester, which is the Dropbox application. So go ahead and open that up. Now I have it here in the cloud-based folder, and it's right over here, the blue with the cardboard box in the middle. Open it up. Now, this is the screen you will get if you have not signed into the app as of yet. If you already have an account, go ahead and type in your email and password and sign in. However, for those that have never used the account before, we're going to go down here and click where it says Create Account. When you click the Create Account link, you will see this screen pop in front of you with 4 lines for you to fill out. Now, go ahead and pause the video, and when you're done, click play so that we can continue through the app. Now, when you register for an account, this is the screen that you will see. Camera upload feature. You can go ahead and change this later on. For now, we're going to go and click cancel right up here so that we can start maneuvering through the application. Now, automatically, when you open up an account, you will have a getting started file right up here. So go ahead and click it. See the little blue bar that passed by, and now the file has loaded. This is a PDF file, so we can go ahead and view it. We can see everything it has to offer. We can scroll through it, and this PDF will help us understand the features of Dropbox, what it can do, what it can't do, etc. Now, let's say that I wanted to add a file to my Dropbox. You go up here where these 3 dots are and click upload. Now, because this is the iPad, the only files you can attach natively are photos. And because this is a program that we are using for class, we don't really need to worry about photos so much. However, if you did want to use photos, you would click OK and then have access to any of the photos that are on your iPad. But we're not going to attach any photos right now. What we're going to look at is seeing how we could distribute files that we already have on Dropbox. So, one of the things that you want to be able to do is you want to be able to create a file to get organized. So go back up to where the 3 dots are, click Create a Folder. We're going to call this folder Test Folder 1. When you have your name already set up, you're going to go right here, click Create. And now Dropbox has entered that folder because you've already created it. So we can see our main Dropbox account. We're going to click this arrow to go back. And now you see the original Getting Started PDF that we had and also our test folder. But you know what? We made a mistake with this test folder and we really don't have many files to organize. So let's just get rid of it. It's a waste. So go back to the 3 buttons right up here. Click where it says Edit. And now you see this little empty box right here next to Test Folder 1. Click that. And then right down here, click where it says Delete. Confirm that you want to delete by answering, are you sure? Yes, delete. And now that folder, which was superfluous, has been deleted. For record's sake, if you wanted to skip the deletion process, that is, you had accidentally pressed something for deletion but you did not actually want it to go away, all you would have to do is click away from the screen anywhere, just not on that delete button, to make sure that it was not deleted. But we didn't need that folder, we got rid of it. Now the last thing that we want to do here is we want to know how to share a file that we have in Dropbox, because one of the great things about Dropbox is it basically is a hard drive for us online. We can access it from anywhere. But let's say that we want to share a file that we have uploaded, whether it be with a classmate who you're doing a group project with or a professor for whom you're submitting an assignment to. To do that, you click the share icon right up here. As in other apps, it's the box with an arrow coming out of it. So click it. And then you can choose any number of different ways: email, text message, Facebook, message or post, a tweet, and you can copy a link to this file on your clipboard. But to make life easier, we're going to go ahead and click email. Remember that email is one of the most professional forms of communication you can use and is the standard for our class. So go ahead and click email. Now all you'd have to do is here in the To section, type the email address that you want to send it to. So we're going to go ahead and type in my email address. We can edit the text if we want. So we're going to show you how to do that. Just click the text here. And instead of doing the traditional Dropbox text, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So I'm going to just select it, press the delete button right here on the keyboard, and in its place I'm going to write, please click this file to learn about Dropbox. Like always, we read something before we send it to make sure there are no spelling or grammatical errors and that it is conveying the message we want to send. We've read it over, we're good. Let's go up here to click send. And the message is away. That is the Getting Started Guide to Dropbox. Thank you for paying attention and have a great day.